Hi, I'm Jacob.
And I'm Sarah, and we want to welcome you to Inside Out Studios.
We can't wait for you to experience the iOS difference.
You already lost it.
That's messing me up.
Ah, it's all good. You already lost it. All right, let's do that.
Well, my name is Summer Beal, and I've been coming to Inside Out Studio for about a year now. And I really enjoy coming here because it pushes me outside of my comfort zone with my songwriting, and it's taught me how to be a better musician in a lot of ways, and it's given me a really great outlet for my music.
We've come to realize that music is one of the most incredible and personally rewarding life skills a person can develop.
Another thing that I love about Inside Out is that it doesn't matter really how old you are, how young you are, there is a space for everyone here. I love that there are so many opportunities right here in our hometown.
I like everything about Inside Out Studios.
I love the vibes here. It's such a family environment.
You're never discouraged, you're always built up and encouraged to keep working.
It really makes me feel like I can do this.
They encourage you, they help you, they tell you that you're good, you're doing great, stuff like that.
It's really chill. I feel very comfortable. From the first time I came in here, I was super nervous, but my teacher was very, very nice, and I just instantly felt very comfortable.
I've been taking lessons here for about 7 years. I take guitar lessons. I've got ADD, so it's definitely hard for me, but I can find my way to understand it. He teaches it clearly to where everyone can understand. I just really enjoy here.
He started out taking guitar, now he's been working on vocals. He's been performing in talent shows because he's more confident.
What I've noticed over that 7-year period of time is that it doesn't just end with a 30-minute lesson once a week.
Through artist development at iOS, students learn to expand their talents and gain confidence in a therapeutic, positive environment.
Inside Out Studios is a great place to learn if you're trying to learn a new instrument or if you're trying to further your music into recording or songwriting, and it's overall just a really great place to be.
Because we work with each student individually, we're able to develop their ability and understanding, starting with who they are, their interests, learning styles, age, and personal goals.
I definitely can now do a lot of the other things that I couldn't really do before because of Inside Out. I have gained a lot of confidence, especially when playing music in front of others.
Through individual lessons, performance opportunities, summer camps, recording and producing, and more, we use music as the tool to teach each student that they are capable of more than they thought possible, and confident to think outside of the box, be expressive, be creative, and most importantly, that it's okay to be yourself.
Yes, Inside Out Studio definitely makes all students feel like they're unique and special. We all have special, unique gifts that God gave us, and so I love how the instructors at Inside Out are able to pull those special things out of each one of their students and really allow the students to flourish in their individual areas.
At Inside Out Studios, we can help take your artist development wherever your creative mind takes you. Welcome to Inside Out Studios.